How to unpin Instagram comment. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Instagram application on our mobile device. Once you've opened your Instagram app, go to the lower right hand corner and click on your profile icon. Now, once you've clicked on your profile icon, select on a post that you have a pinned tweet on. So for example, this post has a pinned comment. So simply select or long press on that specific pinned comment, and once you have selected on it, click on this pin button in the blue corner and select unpin. And there you have it. You have unpinned the comment on your Instagram account. That's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you find this helpful and thank you so much for watching.